Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 12R, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so for me that is already open and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for you, meaning the content being visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You have a sound along with a pop-up. Now this gives us this bigger pop-up, which only will appear once, letting us know that we can also capture a screenshot using our 3-finger swipe down gesture, or hold and swipe down for a for a partial screenshot. No, scrollable one. So we have normal one. We have a specific area. So okay, let's actually go into it. I did need to look at it because I didn't actually know about it. So we have like this. Swipe down for a normal screenshot. Swipe down and hold, or hold and swipe down. Come on. I guess I can't capture a screenshot like this here. Come on. For some reason it doesn't work. Fantastic. Okay, for some reason the two other ones don't seem to work. The only one that works is the swipe down, but as you've seen from the animation, you have either hold the 3 fingers and then you can let go and like basically do a diagonal box, and this will capture just a selected area, or you can hold 3 fingers and swipe down and it will capture a scrollable screenshot, which would be accessible in content that actually can be scrolled down, like the settings. Now anyway, going back to the normal screenshots that I've captured, we can find them in our Photos application. And let's go back. So by default, you would be located in the Photos tab. So from here, navigate to Library, Screenshots, which will create an album called Screenshot. And obviously in here, you'll find all the screenshots that I have captured over the time of using this device. So for me, those are the 3 that I have captured on the video. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.